Hello kids, today learn body parts. Head. This is a head. Hair. This is a hair. Forehead. This is a forehead. Eye. This is a eye. Eyebrow. This is a eyebrow. Eyelash. This is a eyelash. Ear. This is a ear. Nose. This is a nose. Cheek. This is a cheek. Mouth. This is a mouth. Lip. This is a lip. Tooth. This is a tooth. Tongue. This is a tongue. Neck. This is a neck. Shoulder. This is a shoulder. Arm. This is a arm. Elbow. This is a elbow. Wrist. This is a wrist. Hand. This is a hand. Finger. This is a finger. Thumb. This is a thumb. Thank you for watching.